Hi students, see this video mainly we are going to discuss about the IUPAC name, that is nomenclatures of the carbon compounds. Very important thing, only the basic thing only we are discussing here. In higher classes you will learn some how to name the organic compounds, that the complex organic compound also you are going to learn in higher class. Only the basic things you are going to learn here. See, now nomenclature of carbon compound, also called IUPAC system, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Here the basic rules are appear, that is the identify, first you have to identify the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Then in case, for example, a number of carbon atom is 3 means that is propane, 4 means what? Butane, then pentane, 5 means pentane, like that. Then second is, in case a functional group is present, it is indicated the name of the compound with prefix or suffix. For example, functional group is halogen, the aldehyde, alcohol, then ketone, carboxylic acid, like this. Then if the functional group is suffix, the name of the carbon chain is modified by deleting the final E and add appropriate suffix. For example, here given is propane, the addition, that is removal of this E and addition of the, in case the compound is ketone means addition of ONE, that is propanone. In case the compound, the functional group is alcohol means OL, that is propanol. Then carboxylic acid means oic acid, propanoic acid, like this. Then if the unsaturated compound, that is carbon compound present, the final ANE, for example alkane, the final word is what? The final 3 word is ANE. In removal of that ANE and in the name of the carbon chain substituted by ENE or YNE, that is in the case of alkene means you have to add ENE, and alkyne means you have to write YNE. That means the compound present the double bond for alkene and the triple bond for alkyne. Now we will see some examples, then you will get a clear idea. See, this is the functional group: halogen, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. In case of alkene is double bond, then alkyne is triple bond is present means alkyne. Now here which is we are going to add suffix and which is prefix, that is a very important. In case of the halogen compounds, if you take the halogen compound, halogen simply the functional group is simply we can write it Cl, then for chloro, Br for bromo. They are end with O sound, thus chloro and bromo, and iodo, like this. Then alcohol, so simply you have to use, these are the prefix form. For example, using of halogen, halogen in case of the functional group in a carbon chain means, right, suppose 3 carbon atom, the 3 carbon atoms are present here. Here in alkane simply we can write this is propane, know that this is propane. Now the removal of hydrogen, addition of the appropriate group, here halogen, suppose removal of that one hydrogen atom, addition of the chlorine, this name is chloropropane. The number of carbon atom is 3, that is why propane, so that this name is chloropropane. In case of bromine is present here, so this will be bromopropane. Iodine is present mean that is iodopropane. This is bromopropane. So here the bromo, chloro is a prefix form. Okay, in case of halogens mean you have to write that name is the functional group is should present the prefix form. Rest of this alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, alkene, alkynes are simply suffix ending. Okay. Next we will see the alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Now alcohol, the alcohol suffix so that the functional group indicated is OH. Simply we can indicate OH. Now the carbon compound, suppose 3 carbon atoms are present. Here the removal of the hydrogen, the addition of the appropriate functional group, here alcohol is present, so that you have to write the OH instead of the hydrogen. Now what is the name of the compound? Simply the alcohols are present here means you have to end with OL. See, next is alkyne. Alkyne is alkene and alkyne, double bond and the triple bond. See here in case of the alkane, last 3 words you have to remove. In case of presence of double bond, you have to write ENE. In case of triple bond, present adding of YNE. Okay. For example, 3 carbon atoms. Double bond presence mean write CH2, then CH, this carbon. Now check with the valency. So here double bond is present, so that write CH2. CH2 is correct only, just I am writing the structural arrangement. So this will be compound is pro plus ene. Pro plus ene. Removal of that ANE, addition of the ENE, the compound will be propene. Then alkyne. Triple bond presence means triple bond. So the structural formula you have to write like this. Then see, check all the carbon and hydrogens are satisfied. That is a very important one. So this carbon is satisfied, and this carbon also 3 plus 1 4 satisfied. So no need to draw the hydrogen atom here. And this carbon 3 plus 1 4. Now the compound is 3 carbon, so that prop plus YNE because of the triple bond. The compound name is propyne. Okay, this is the basic IUPAC system. You are going to learn some higher classes, that is some aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ether, how to name it, how to number it. You are going to learn in higher classes. This is the very basic thing. Hi students, see today we were discussed the IUPAC name, that is nomenclatures of carbon compounds with the examples also. What are that functional groups? Suppose the functional group presence mean alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and alkene, alkynes also we were seen, that is names with suffix. Then names with prefix, halogen compounds also we were seen.